Hello my dear crafty friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive wall panel using cardboard, and I have added lots of technique to create the background. These all flowers are handmade and these are paper flowers. So be ready to create something very magical. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need tissue paper, some chalk paints, golden acrylic color, scissor, paintbrush, some stencils, cardboard or mountboard and liquid glue. Now I am taking one mountboard piece which measures 20 by 4 centimeters, and from left side I am marking on 1.5 centimeters and also from right side I am marking on 1.5 centimeters. Now join these lines diagonally with the marking and cut these lines. Like this. In the same way I have created one more strip, and we will be needed two more strips which measures 23 by 4 centimeters, and in the similar way as a smaller one I have marked on 1.5 and then cut it. So we will arrange it like this, and I am adding one more piece of cardboard strip horizontally to connect it. In the same way I will add one more strip in the bottom. So this is done. Now I am taking little mixture of water and liquid glue, and I am adding pieces of tissue papers on all over the surface of this base to make it more sturdy, and the tissue paper will give you a very nice texture. So complete this, and after applying tissues from both the sides it will look like this, and it's completely dried and this is quite sturdy now. Now I'm taking this leafy stencil and using the textured paste I'm applying the pattern here and there using my palette knife. So this is done. Now using the chalk paint I will color the whole panel. You can also use acrylic colors. So this is done. Now I am cutting these excess strips from both the sides. If you want, you can keep it as it is, but you need to color this as well. Now I'm taking little golden acrylic shade on my dry brush and I'm dry brushing on whole surface. It will enhance and pop up your textured part. Like this. Now I'm taking one more dotted stencil and using the pink chalk paint I am adding little more texture. Like this. I have created one more strip which is having same width as the panel, and this is approx 4 cm in height, and I have added golden color and uses the same dotted stencil to create the pattern. So I am connecting this strip in the bottom. And also adding this oval shaped paper cutout in the top. Now to make flowers we need water, some sponge daubers or applicators, flowers cutout, frosted sugar, some microbead pearls, groove golf tool, ball tool, liquid glue, some archival inks, foam pad and styrofoam bud. I have already prepared 3 large and 3 small 4 petal flowers using white color paper, and now using this yellow archival ink I will color whole flower from front and back. Now I am taking orange archival ink and coloring only the edges of all the flowers. In the same way I will do with other flowers. So the coloring part is done. Now I am dipping all the flowers in the water for 5 seconds. Now taking a tissue paper and just tapping excess water on the tissue. Now I will show you how to shape all the flowers. So take a larger one first. Using the groove golf tool I will start making grooves on each petal from outer edge to inner edge. Now rotate this flower and using ball tool just push it in the center. Like this. In the same way I will do with other more big flowers. Now take a smaller flower, do the same process as we did for bigger one. Now take another flower and shape it first like a cup, and we don't need to push it from the back side. In the same way I am repeating with other one. Now pricking the center using the back portion of the groove golf tool. Now I am taking this strong adhesive Fevikwik and pointed styrofoam bud. This is a 4 mm styrofoam bud, and I will start making my rose flower. You can also use glue gun.
So rose is ready. Now using the tweezers, I am just twisting the center petals outer side to shape it little more naturally. Now I am applying little liquid glue on the edge of each petal and dipping it into frosted sugar. Frosted sugar will give you very nice sparkly border to each edge of the flower. So flower is ready. In the same way, I have created 2 more roses, so we need total 3 roses. Now I will show you how to create filler flower. For this I am taking this 6 petal flower punch and applying dark pink archival ink, dipping it in the water and just shaping it. Now adding little glue in the center and sprinkling some yellow micro bead pearls in the center. So filler flower is ready. Now taking back my panel and I am decorating it using punched border. Then adding this "thanks for being so awesome" sentiment in the center. I have this frame ready with me, so I'm adding this on the left side, cutting the excess wire, and now I'm decorating the frame using handmade flowers. If you don't have this frame, you can also add any punched border to create the frame, and you can put any photograph. This panel can be used to create keychain holder or nameplate or any photo frame, anything of your choice. So this is a multi-purpose cardboard panel. Like this. So the beautiful wall panel with the cardboard is ready. Isn't it looking like a wooden panel? You can just add any ribbon to hang it. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.